Now this is the story of middle quarters. This is the life. Anchovy.
Shrimp City,
Yeah man, I know man. Middle quarter. Shrimp City. More one when I have no only for pepper. Can't manage the pepper thing.
Shit, no biggie, man. Mama market basket suffer. Yes, I when you hear summer come on, Fabian man, and river drag. And you take the basket and dip down in your hole and go down and come up.
Okay.
And whenever you see sell them, we just carry them home and patch them and name them. Eat them in a rice and peas and all them sitting there.
So a nice old lady there. Why you never make buy the shrimp from her?
And you fit tell me if it's happy enough for her.
Alright, find one young girl then.
And you fit tell me if
You pass all of the old lady them, so almost young girl time.
So they must set up the sound system. Right, that person?
Yeah, do it then no. Why not take a nice Christian lady? Good day. Give me only a bag of shrimp there, but I don't want none with pepper. I know you make a video, I shrimp. I want to see which one. I don't know. I want one without pepper. Watch her, she has searched for one without pepper. She has none without pepper now. That's the real thing. How much is that?
700.
What?
Then how you ball out up on the camera?
7?
That's the price.
On our off camera, we can't pay. We can't wait till I come back.
No. You see a video and I go
Huh?
home.
We can't wait till I come back.
No.
No, you can't stay so. No, you have to do a little bit better than that. And them say people from this side so nice.
Yes, I'm nice.
But
Thank you for stopping.
you're nice, but you're not so nice.
Why?
Me no know, cause you never give me free.
If pepper?
Pepper, I feel like the pepper.
First,
You're
you're
niceness pepper?
Beg you to what you call it, napkin no? You must have napkins.
So for
Right now,
first
thanks.
time, you expect the top.
And beg and get?
I'm big and get.
Them say country people nice. And I believe in that.
Not true.
Yeah. Oh, I'm beer now. Have a good one
You
here?
want a what?
Beer. You have Heineken?
Here you want.
You have Heineken?
Yes.
You're not gonna tell nobody say I drink and drive.
Why? There's something wrong with that?
Okay, alright then. Give me now. My Heineken. Yes, miss. I don't want the foreigner price either.
Oh, the foreign price is $400. The local price is also $400. How much beer you want?
So wait, they call in the beer? Watch them want beer and she call in the beer. How long am I going to wait? Pull over.
Wait long.
Pull over.
Oh,
Oh, we pull over already.
if
We're
you're
right
gonna put me
there.
on YouTube, guys, my name is Shana Lee.
You're there. Shana Lee, she sell the good shrimp them.
Yeah, the good shrimp then.
Give me a Heineken, what you say one?
Beer, man.
And a red stripe.
The red stripe, all cold.
Yes, please. But it sound like a voicemail I get. Oh, that brownie?
No,
Or a
that's
blackie?
That's my dog.
Now this is the story of middle quarters. This is the life. Come in here, Sharake. Ah. Hmm?
When it turns, it's scary.